Number 1. 1981 Harley-Davidson Roadster, $3,000, Sturtevant, Wisconsin. The 1981 Harley-Davidson Roadster offers classic American styling with a strong combination of vintage character and everyday usability. This example shows just 6,600 miles and features fresh, factory-style blue and silver two-tone paint, a Mustang seat, and disc brakes all around. The tires are also in great shape, while the engine reportedly runs excellent and the transmission shifts smoothly. The seller has fitted new engine gaskets, and the motorcycle is described as staying completely dry without any leaks. With its attractive presentation and ready-to-ride condition, this Roadster could be an appealing choice for enthusiasts looking for a clean and enjoyable vintage Harley with plenty of classic personality.
Nice Harley mufflers. Entire motor was rebuilt, all new gaskets.
Number 2. 1980 Honda CB750C, $2,850, Garner, Iowa. The 1980 Honda CB750C brings the legendary CB750 name into a distinctive cruiser-style package, combining classic Japanese styling with Honda's well-known reputation for durability and reliability. This example shows only 13,400 miles and has been garage-kept throughout its life, with the current owner having owned it since 1982. The seller reports that the engine starts and runs great, making this a particularly interesting example for enthusiasts who appreciate well-preserved vintage Hondas. With its relatively low mileage, long-term ownership history, and recognizable CB750 heritage, this CB750C offers plenty of appeal for both collectors and riders looking for a classic Japanese motorcycle with genuine 1980s character. Number 3. 1973 Triumph T150V Trident, $3,900, St. James, Minnesota. The 1973 Triumph Trident T150V is a distinctive British classic featuring a 750cc three-cylinder engine and the desirable 5-speed transmission, indicated by the V designation. This example shows approximately 7,864 miles and was recently brought back to running condition after the previous owner had the carburetors cleaned and a new battery installed. The current seller then took the motorcycle home for a thorough inspection and cleaning after confirming that it could run. With its unique three-cylinder layout, classic British styling, low recorded mileage, and interesting history, this Trident could be an appealing project or riding candidate for enthusiasts who appreciate the character and individuality of vintage Triumph motorcycles. Number 4. 1980 Suzuki GS850L, $1,200, Norwalk, Iowa. The 1980 Suzuki GS850L combines classic Japanese cruiser styling with an 850cc inline-4 engine, shaft drive, and a 5-speed transmission. This example shows 18,403 miles and has always been stored indoors, with a clean title included. Suzuki's GS motorcycles from this era are appreciated for their comfortable riding character, durable engineering, and distinctive vintage appearance, making this GS850L an approachable option for enthusiasts entering the classic Japanese motorcycle market. With its original styling and practical shaft drive setup, this Suzuki offers plenty of old-school personality without an especially high asking price. At $1,200, it could be an interesting choice for someone looking for an affordable vintage cruiser to enjoy, preserve, or add to a growing collection. Number 5. 1981 BMW 100S, $4,250, Shelbyville, Indiana. The 1981 BMW 100S combines classic BMW Boxer twin character with a thoughtful conversion from RT specification to S specification using original BMW parts. This example has 64,936 miles and is described as starting easily, idling smoothly, and running well, with regular maintenance and tuning keeping it ready to ride. The seller describes it as an honest rider rather than a show bike, but one that can be confidently enjoyed on the road. Included with the sale are the original BMW hard touring cases, the original S windscreen, and an assortment of spare parts. For enthusiasts who value classic BMW engineering, practical touring equipment, and a motorcycle built to be ridden, this 100S offers an appealing combination of character, history, and usability. Number 6. 1977 Yamaha XS750, $1,100, Mokina, Illinois. The 1977 Yamaha XS750 offers distinctive three-cylinder character with the classic styling and straightforward personality that make vintage Japanese motorcycles so enjoyable. This example shows just 12,000 miles and is described as running and riding well, with no major issues reported beyond some minor cosmetic imperfections. A clean title is included, and the seller is also open to trades. For enthusiasts looking for an affordable classic Yamaha that can be enjoyed without taking on a major restoration, this XS750 offers an interesting combination of low mileage, usable condition, and vintage character at $1,100. Number 7. 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 T3, $4,000, Cedar Grove, Wisconsin. The 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 T3 represents an important era of Italian motorcycle engineering, combining an 844cc air-cooled 90-degree V-twin with shaft drive and the distinctive character Moto Guzzi enthusiasts have come to appreciate. The T3 is particularly notable for its triple-disc braking system, while the classic Tanti frame provides a strong foundation for stable and confident handling. This example shows 76,380 miles and is described as a solid runner in moderate condition, with a 5-speed transmission and the traditional Guzzi shaft drive setup. For riders looking for a classic Italian motorcycle with unique engineering, long-distance capability, and plenty of personality, this 850 T3 offers an appealing vintage option. Number 8. 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120, $6,900. Liberty, Missouri. The 1968 Triumph Bonneville T120 is one of the most recognizable British motorcycles of its era, combining timeless styling with the performance character that helped make the Bonneville name legendary. This example shows 11,500 miles and is described as being in excellent mechanical and physical condition, with its original aubergine paint color adding to its period appeal. The motorcycle starts easily, even after 8 months of storage, and reportedly runs great, stops well, and shifts properly. It also features like-new tires and solid original controls and cables. For collectors and riders seeking a classic Bonneville that can be both shown and enjoyed on the road, this T120 offers a particularly attractive vintage package. Number 9. 1982 Honda CB750 Chopper, $4,200, Okmulgee, Oklahoma. The 1982 Honda CB750 Chopper takes the familiar CB750 platform and gives it a more customized personality with a Voodoo vintage hardtail frame and TC Bros Springer front end. Listed in good used condition, this motorcycle has been stored in the seller's garage for the past few years and currently needs a battery, although the seller has a jump box available.
The seat was recently professionally recovered by Scott's Auto Trim in Tulsa at a cost of $400, adding a fresh touch to the custom build. With its distinctive chopper styling and recognizable Honda 4-cylinder foundation, this CB750 could be an interesting choice for enthusiasts who appreciate custom motorcycles with a strong vintage-inspired appearance.
Number 10. 1978 Honda CM185T, $800, Elk Grove Village, Illinois. The 1978 Honda CM185T is a compact vintage motorcycle that could appeal to enthusiasts looking for an affordable restoration or parts project. This example shows 9,000 miles and was inherited in July 2026 after reportedly sitting for around 30 years, so its current mechanical condition remains uncertain. The seller hoped to get it running but is unsure what work is required, while several components, including the tires, seat, gas tank, cables, and levers, are said to be in good working order. With an asking price of just $800, this CM185T offers an inexpensive starting point for someone interested in bringing a long-stored Honda back to life or preserving useful parts from a classic machine.